I always think technology is the future, my friend.
Yeah.
And this gaming thing is huge. And acting right now in LA is kind of like struggling.
It's tough
because of COVID, the strike.
And the AI.
Yes.
With the screen, it's taking over, right?
The strike was big on the AI. That was I think the main problem that we had was AI.
Yeah.
They couldn't come to an agreement with the AI. So right now we have like, what did they say, a 3-year deal? And we're going to have to touch base in 3 years with the AI because it's going to be more advanced. And, the example was, and this makes sense for everybody, the way they broke it down. He said, imagine if they hire a background actor right now. A background guy, they're going to pay him $50, $100, hire him and ask him, hey, go do this. Okay, cool. Now we're going to own you forever. And we can make a series just based on that little 5-second clip. We can do anything. And we paid you nothing. That we would have to hire an actor to do that job. We're saving money. Why are we going to hire an actor? So now you think there's not going to be any actors or one actor for the whole, they're going to pay you for one episode and do a whole season. It's like, that's not fair.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're
going
to have
scary,
to touch
man.
It's scary.
And not only the actors, the writers, they're getting, AI's just taking over the writing too.
Yes. Oh, it was huge. They had a longer strike than we did. We just joined their strike. But yeah, it's the same thing. AI, it's a beautiful tool and yes, progress and everything, but it's also a scary thing. It's a very scary thing. It has to be managed correctly, I believe, with the right people have to be behind that because it's going to affect a lot of people, a lot of lives and jobs. And I mean, come on, it's crazy. It's crazy.
Man, we're going to end up like Terminator.
Dude, yes.
Yeah,
it's funny that you said that because I thought of this and I'm like, man, this world, one day machines are going to take over computers and then what are we going to do? We're not needed.
They're going to be running us.
Yes.
They're going to use us as slaves, right?
All those movies that do that, it's like, man, they're onto something with this.
There's a lot of truth to movies. A lot of hidden messaging too.
Yes. Now you think about it from movies, it's all hidden. It's coming to fruition. You know what I'm saying? Like now it's happening. I'm like, I never thought back when I saw 10, 15 years ago, you see a movie that says, computers and machines are going to, you're like, get out. Terminator in 1984, I think.
Yeah.
Dude, that was like, come on.
There's no way.
It's a great movie. I love it, but there's no way. Look at now, 2025. And we're like, we had a strike because that was the main topic of it. Yeah. Of the strike.
Crazy.
AI. So it's a scary thing, brother. It's a scary thing.
Yeah. I've been wondering what's going to happen because it seems like everyone's moving towards streaming now too, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Like Netflix, like movies seem to be hurting.
Yeah. Hulu.
Yeah.
Amazon.
Snow White just flopped. So all these big movies are struggling. They're going to have to figure out what's next.
Yeah. Yeah. I don't know. I hate to say it, but it seems to me like it's just going like this. Something has to be done. Damn. I don't know. It's crazy.
Well, it's smart that you're pivoting at least into video games for now.
For sure, yeah. I see the opportunity. I enjoy it a lot. I make my own schedule when I want to stream, so I can be on my son's soccer games whenever I want to be, and spend time with the wife. And I'm cool.
How long you guys been together?
My wife, 9 years.
9 years.
Yeah, 9 years. Married almost 3 years.
I'm getting married this year.
Congrats, brother. Yes,
sir. 8
Very
years.
Nice. 8 years.
8 years.
Oh, I bet she's giving you all that. It took you 8 years to marry me.
I'm sure
what were you thinking?
I'm sure you got hit with that around year 5.
I did. No, almost 6 years, right? And oh, dude, when I proposed, my friend, oh man, they were like, finally. I was like, well, you got to get to know and this, and make sure do things together so you make the marriage last. You don't want to get married when you meet somebody 6 months later. You really don't know them.
Yeah, especially someone in your spot at the time. You were, peak actor, Breaking Bad.
Yeah. You know what's the funny thing, and there's one thing I like about my wife. To this day, she has not watched Breaking Bad.
No way.
She hasn't watched Breaking Bad. Wow. Like I'll show her clips, but she's like, it's too long. I don't want to watch it. There's too many seasons. I'm like, cool. She's the least of. She's not you know how you go to events like red carpets or this or this. Oh, she's not one to go. She's not that person. Yeah, that one's that. You know how people sometimes. Oh yeah, I'm gonna get with this guy so that I can go to all this. No, she's the opposite. She don't want to go to anything.
She's a homebody, introvert.
I love that. She's Missouri. Small town, You get me? I love that. Family person. I'm a family guy. I don't like to do anything. I want to be home, spend it with my wife and my son. That's all I want to do. My adventure, a crazy night for me will be go to the movies and go to dinner. Oh man, we party today. You get me? That's me. That's what I do. I don't drink. I don't do nothing.
Yeah.
I love it. I love that about her. You know, we were talking about that earlier. I love that.
Have you always had that discipline, or did you have a phase when you were younger where you were?
When I was young, I didn't know. When I was in, the gangs and prison and all that stuff, not disciplined at all. I thought I was, I could do whatever. I didn't even know where I was going in life. To tell you the truth, and you probably heard this before, and a lot of people say this, but I really mean when I say this, I did not think that I was going to make to 21 impossible.
Damn.
The way things were going, dude, I was already ready. I knew I was going to die.
Wow.
Like, just put it like this, where I grew up, the neighborhood and all this, we were getting shot at every, out of the week, at least 3 times a week.
What?
People would come do drive-bys, dude, and you like feel like you're in the Matrix.
Holy
Like
crap.
you see, I'm walking down the street and next thing you know, somebody pops out, yeah, and you're doing one of these Matrix moves and they're shooting at you. Dude, I knew I was going to die because one day they're going to catch me off guard and I knew I was going to die. Or I was going to end up doing life in prison. Like, I was okay with it. It's a life that you're like, how are you living life like this, dude? It was crazy to me.
Damn.
Yeah.
So you were always on edge when you were younger.
Always on the edge. I couldn't leave. From being on that gang world, you cannot leave your neighborhood without, something bad is going to, it's basically you're confined to a cage.
Wow.
It was, now that my life the way it is, it was horrible. It was horrible. For years, I did not see the world. Nothing. I was just there, and there got me in trouble at prison, how many times and everything. And I wasn't doing anything with myself. I was just there, basically just, waiting to go to prison or die.
Damn.
And then I left. My life changed. It's beautiful. The world is beautiful. People are beautiful. There's great people in the world.
Yeah.
Not everybody's against you.
Wow.
It's a beautiful. I always thought everything, Sean, everybody I thought was against me. Everybody.
Wow.
Like me, you'll never see me. Hey, no. Me, dude, I was walking down the street to no matter who it was me like this, bro. I'm just waiting for somebody to say something to, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah. No wonder you did so well on the show now.
Oh, dude, yeah.
You already had it in you.
I grew up like that. I did. I grew up like that.
It was natural
It was just like that. But nowadays, I do walk serious. I'm serious. When I go to the gym, it's funny because I do this at the gym. And people look at me and they're like, and a lot of people look at me funny. And then when somebody comes, I'm so sorry to bother you. They come so nice. I'm so sorry to bother you. Ain't you the guy from Breaking Bad? And I look and I just give them this. And then I go there, Sean. Yes, I am. Nice to meet you. Good eye. And then I change change it. But I'm just serious, but I'm super. As soon as they say something to me, bro, I'm like, hey, how you doing? Thank you. Blah, 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 blah. And when we're done, I'm like,
you got that switch.
Yeah. My wife tells me, smile. I say, I can't. Except when I stream. You see, you put a camera in front of me and I'm like, hey, what's going on?
I love that.
No, I'm just happy and thankful when I do things like that. The streaming, talking to people, I'm thankful. I'm in a good place. Like the opportunities that came to me because of things. I'm thankful for everything, dude.
Wow.
Everything that comes my way, I'm thankful. People that tune to watch me on Twitch, I'm thankful for that one person, for everyone, just because of background. You came from this, you did all this, now you're like, people are like, you're giving back. I don't know. I feel like, I don't know. I'm just so thankful for everything.
Gratitude.
Yeah, yes, for everything, dude.
Wherever you guys are watching this show, I would truly appreciate it if you follow or subscribe. It helps a lot with the algorithm. It helps us get bigger and better guests, and it helps us grow the team. Truly means a lot. Thank you guys for supporting, and here's the episode.